private jet and I'm trapping. Drip, shooter pop out with the pool stick. Effing and Draco extended 30 and it's sent on my hip. 35,000 for the brand new rolling wrist.
What's up, YouTube? It's your Tears back with another video. Finna go to Volcano Bay. Ash, what is you doing, dog?
I already know y'all about to go to Volcano
Be quiet.
Bay.
You just talking.
It's about to be live. You already know. That's what we do down here.
You excited, Alana?
Hi.
You excited?
Huh?
Are you excited?
It's my second time.
Oh, you already went?
You canceled.
I've been there once.
Hey, Kendrick, say what's up. Ain't seen you in a long
Why
time.
that camera so close to my face? Why did you put it so close to my face? You had that bit.
Oh, drop, right?
You know I'm gonna start a vlog. Oh, Timmy.
Hey, y'all,
Ashley, like
I'm
two
finna
of
get
the
back with y'all
cousins.
something. You don't shut up.
Yes, it is.
Earl, I need minutes. Oh. Hello. What are you talking about? Yeah, Kendrick. You want a Red Bull, bro? Which one you finna get?
The red one.
I thought you were talking about the big one. Yeah, don't get the big one.
How many? 3? You want one? Never had a Red Bull.
They 2 for $4. You getting one?
I
I'll
never
get 2.
had.
Just get 2.
Yeah, I never had a Red Bull.
Wait, so we get chocolate?
No, come here. Can't drink.
But I'm hungry.
Then get something. If you got money, get something.
I don't get it.
Grammy, it's for me.
That's right. Leave him alone.
I need minutes for the YouTube. I need minutes. I need to be having.
Say what?
I'll give you $2 after.
We gotta do my career.
What?
How you doing,
No,
son?
I'm gonna give Kendrick $2. We got 2 for
You
$4.
feel too good this morning, man. You all right? I'm all right. Yeah. All right, man. There you go. That smile. I like that. Now. Style. You'll get me. No, man. I ain't got no money.
I got chips in the car. If you want them, you get them, but I got chips in the car.
You got the money on you, man?
Your mama
I
gave
will
your
get
money.
I'll give you some money.
But I gotta use your card, bro.
Okay, so what I
Buddy,
put
hungry?
some of-
I could give you a sandwich. I'm finna get me a
Okay.
sandwich right now.
All right, come on in, guys.
What about it? We can't get good.
Yeah, we can
John.
get
Pick it up, chips right quick. I got you.
I don't have, I got, I'm not, I got chips in the car. So tell them to your brother.
What are you doing?
You tell me I don't want Takis?
Huh?
You need to tell me I don't want Takis?
Kendrick.
I don't think she
Give me
could.
money for
No,
the
she can't get Takis.
Why not?
Cause she get Takis, she gonna wanna drink. Alana want Takis.
I ain't got no water on me, nothing.
You gonna get her? Talk. She got 8 drinks in the car.
Yeah, so let me take it.
So you gonna get them? Kendrick finna get her Takis. Oh, about failed.
Kendrick, who's getting the car? Did he
Kendrick.
get you what you want?
Throw them on the floor. Oh my gosh, I'll be back with y'all when we get in the car.
3 hours later.
What's up? We at you? Ain't I about to say we at YouTube? We at Volcano Bay for walking to the park now. Stop trying to do it.
Hi, people. We're going on the bus thing.
What you say?
Volcano Bay. Yay.
We going on the bus now?
Probably.
Man, Lonnie, you let them get in front of us.
How they go all the way up there?
I
Huh?
don't want to get.
How they go all the way up
I
there?
don't want to like get lost.
Cause I mean, we got. Yeah, you don't need to get lost.
I got lost last time.
Yeah, you got
That
lost that
happened.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cause you about got me in trouble. Yeah, so we finna get on the bus now to go to Volcano Bay. I don't even know if y'all can hear, but it's music. But you wanna be in it?
Okay, guys. So we are getting on the bus right now.
Why you ain't telling your name?
Oh, it's a Lotta. You said my name. Wait. I'll take over. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to be taking over later.
Come on, Grammy.
Or explore
It's a step, Alana. It's a step. Where Kendrick at?
Yo, what's up, vlog? You know, we here in Volcano Bay getting lit already.
Alright, we at Volcano Bay now. We just got off the bus. Dang, bro, y'all pushing me and jump. I'm gonna walk in the entrance now.
Ready to be fun.
Should. It's hot. Y'all keep splitting poles.
Yeah, chill out.
Lana, split the pole. Split the pole, that's what. Hey, come on, we gotta catch up. Y'all walk faster. No, y'all gotta walk faster. Dang, bro, that's a lot of walking. You should have got that hotel right here. What hotel is that? All right, I'll get back with y'all again when we get inside. Y'all can see more stuff. Oh, they want to see what's in my bed. Nope. Ah! But it's just...
of this world. I have a message for you.
Be quiet, dude.
So.
But it's just a lot of walking, bro.
You know, where's my time? I'm not going to here.
You're soft, bro. You really scared? Huh?
We're getting happy.
Are we finna get the watches? It's okay, we finna get the watches right now. Huh? What is that? Oh. I mean, it seems like a bug was on there or something. Are we finna get the watches right now?
Scooby-Doo.
It is hot. Where the watches at, Alana? You said we was getting the watches? You don't like escalators?
No.
Why? Nah, you just gotta make sure you...
No.
You good, just don't fall. Who is that, Keldon? This thing going fast.
Okay, escalators. This is what.
Watch out quick, Ashley.
Is that the ticket?
Wow.
We made it! We made it! Hey, yo, stand down.
I don't know if I want to get this. I got
It's like 70 something.
Let's see how hot it is.
Probably even more than 70 something.
Let's see. It was 91.
Hold it.
Then they can sing.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you.
Say it again. Lock you out? Okay.
Oh, knock her out. That'll be her.
Come on now.
Don't worry about covering. Don't worry about covering. You guys over that way, please?
But you're, Timmy, are you gonna take your Apple Watch off?
Two. You know what Uncle L went?
Wait, what color did you get?
We both got the same one, yeah. We got the same one. We're good.
No, I had it, but I went tiny. Tiny.
You mean tiny?
Tiny.
I have to take remind me to take my scrunchies off before I get in the water because scrunchies, they don't fit in water.
Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me stop this job. Alright, so we got our watches. Finna go on some ride. Hey, you know we gonna get on first?
We got you. What we got?
Lazy River.
Lazy River?
Night and day, if I lay.
wish me a happy birthday. My birthday.
It is not your birthday.
Okay, but it's on Sunday. When do you post this?
Yes, sir.
When do you post this? When is this going up?
Huh?
When is this video going up?
By tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
By tomorrow.
Really?
When you get to the
so quickly?
I'm gonna edit it.
I didn't know you posted. The wave pool. I want to go in the wave pool first. That's where I wanted to go.
My story.
Wave pool. There's a wave pool.
I'm not going to wave pool yet. We can go later.
No, please go with me, please.
I need to find my
Please.
All right, y'all. That's it for today's vlog. Finna go on something right. Move! Quit doing that.
You're not
All right, y'all. That's it for today's vlog. Finna go so I might record some of them. That's probably it. And I get back up with y'all. If this keep going, that mean I'll record it on the rise. If not, this will be it. I'll hit y'all up when we leave. Oh, well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye, have a great time.